Okay, we've got our two different databases. We've got one for Prisma, one for Drizzle. We have seeded the Prisma database with some data, some test data. Let's do the same now for the Drizzle database. We don't have a seed command, at least not that we're using right now for Drizzle. Instead, we're going to grab a SQL file and we'll paste it in. So let's come over here. We'll add seed.sql. And instead of doing anything with it here in the project, let's just save that so we have it. And now let's come over to Table Plus, and that's where we're going to run this SQL script. So here in Table Plus, I'm in the SQL editor up here. I'm going to close that one because I already had it open. We'll paste this in and taking a look at what we've got here, creating an extension if it does not exist, the UUID OSSP extension, that's to create some IDs. And then we're just going to do the same thing we did with our Prisma seed where we're creating some fake data. So we've got John Doe, we've got Jane Doe, our different categories. We have got some posts that we're creating, and all of that's going to put some data into this database. Let's run all of that and see what we get. All right, so it looks like we have got some insertions. Let's take a look here at our tables. Let's refresh things and take a look to see what we've got. We've got all of our categories. We've got our posts, users, and we've got this pivot table for our many-to-many relation between categories and posts. Something that we don't explicitly see when we're looking at Prisma Studio, but that table for the relations does exist in our Prisma database. All right, so we're good to go here now with our Drizzle data. The next thing we're going to start to do is take a look at how to do some very simple queries with both Prisma and Drizzle.